Samsung Galaxy S21 Fan Edition shines in all new 360-degree renders. Also in the leaks, we have the official specification of the Galaxy S21 FE with the new 32 megapixel main camera and micro SD card slot. Hey, what's up guys? We are back again with some latest news. Another day, another leak ruining the Samsung future product launch following a 360-degree treatment of the upcoming Galaxy devices like the Galaxy Z Flip 3, Galaxy Watch 4 and the Galaxy Buds 2. It's now the Galaxy S21 Fan Edition turns. The 360-degree renders of the device has been shared on Twitter by EvenLeaks and shows us a similar sight as previous leak. The S21 FE will look pretty similar to the Galaxy S21 and S21 Plus. No surprises on that as far as the front is concerned. There are going to be 4 different color options: white, green, black and violet. These are going to be the lower number of color options as compared to the S20 last year. Anyhow, leak has been coming from the Tina finally lists the device specification along with its 4 usual product shots. It's all the camera specification, design and also the spec sheet has been released by the Tina certification. As I told you yesterday that S21 FE will have a 6.4 inch of display with 1080 by 2340 of a pixel resolution. That's larger than the S21 6.2 inch and a bit smaller than the S20 FE which was 6.5 inches. Also, it will have a different aspect ratio which is 19.5 by 9 versus 20 by 9. The phone is going to be slightly shorter and thinner than the S20 FE. There are going to be triple camera setup on the back side with a 32 megapixel of a main camera sensor, 12 megapixel of ultra wide and 8 megapixel of telephoto lens. The main camera is an interesting upgrade, breaking away from the 12 megapixel tradition the S series has upheld these last few years. Video recording is still listed as 4K even though the new sensor should have enough resolution for 8K. The selfie camera is downgraded from 32 megapixel which was coming in the S20 FE to 12 megapixel in the S21 Fan Edition. The chipset certainly should be capable of 4K videos, and according to recent report, the phone will use the Snapdragon 888 in South Korea, while Europe and North America will get Exynos model. Where we see Snapdragon variant in those regions depends upon how semiconductor shortage evolves. Anyway, phone at Tina was confirmed with 8 gigs of RAM and 128 or 256 gigs of storage. Note that we have also seen a 6 gigs variant run benchmarks, so memory configuration will be region dependent. And yes, there will be a micro SD slot. Some were worried that this might not be happening. Finally, the battery capacity is 4370 mAh, which is likely means a typical 4500 mAh battery. The phone should have a 45 watt of charging, though it might ship with a 25 watt charger. The certification does say that retail package will come with a charger and a cable, though it does not specify the wattage. The chip shortage has pushed back the Samsung launch plan, and we're probably looking at the October launch for the device. Given the pace at which phone is picking up important certification, we are assuming that the S21 Fan Edition will go official sooner rather than later. Anyhow, that is it in this particular video. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Subscribe to the channel if you're new here. Peace.